There would not be a 3 Franks in a Rock Thailand tour were it not for one of the Franks, my dad, Frank Sr. In 1966, he was drafted into the U.S. Army, served in the 25th Infantry Division, traversing the Central Highlands, the jungles of Vietnam. But luckily for him and for all of us, he spent the last 4 months of his tour in Thailand. And this is where he fell in love with the culture and the food. My dad, from the time I was very young, was telling me about Thailand. He was telling me about the people of Thailand and what a beautiful culture that it was. And in fact, when he was here, that's when he first learned about Khao Pad, right?
Yes, Khao Pad. Fried rice, Thai style fried rice. Arroy mak, very delicious.
Arroy. Now fast forward 5 years and we are staying at the Khao Sok homestay known as Billion Views. This is Manao, the dog, who is just so lovable and awesome. Manao means lime in Thai. There's the kitchen to the left, and as you walk through this hallway, you get to see this beautiful space. This is where we will enjoy homemade breakfast and dinner. Here are the guys later on. Champunut, whose name means pure gold in Thai, will get to teach my dad how to make Khao Pad.
Oh yeah. Been waiting 55 years to do this. Just move it around. Oh, it smells good already.
It's good already
Oh,
until they are yellow a little bit.
Caramelized?
Put this one
Okay.
and egg.
Oh yeah. Oh man. This is what I'm talking about.
Is it okay?
Oh yes.
Put this one. Put this one until good, until soft before all this one.
So when do I put this? The onion?
Later, until they are cooked enough.
Oh, okay. You're gonna cook the carrots and the garlic.
Yes,
Oh yes.
carrot is hard.
Yes.
After when carrot is good, follow this. Follow.
Go ahead.
That smells awesome.
Oh man. Not this first one.
Follow.
So this
All
is
this one.
oh the whole thing?
Take off and together. Oh,
The whole thing?
oh, the whole. And put salt and taste salt and taste.
How much?
Taste,
How much is this sauce?
taste salt until they are solid.
Tell me when.
Turn until taste. Taste.
Taste it.
Yeah, taste.
Test for what this for?
Turn.
Turn it.
Turn.
Turn it.
Turn.
Oh, it smells great.
Not enough. Put more.
More,
Okay,
yeah.
now you go ahead, because I don't know how to put too much. You
Good,
put it.
Kunut.
You put it. You put it.
Yeah, we trust you.
Not confident.
No.
Hey.
I want to do it like you do.
Taste. Oh. Turn.
Turn it.
Turn until the color is good.
Okay.
And taste the last. You keep for taste. Turn enough. Color good and keep for taste.
Oh yeah.
If not enough,
Yeah,
put this
right.
one.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Taste, taste,
Taste it. Taste it.
taste. More,
Need
More.
no.
more.
There's need no.
Now I put this one for the smell. This sauce. This sauce, this sauce.
Yes. Same brand of back home. Man.
Yes. And turn.
Yes. Oh yeah.
No,ผักหวาน
What is this meat? What is this green?
ผักหวาน
Pakwan.
Yes.
I don't know if I've ever had
Now turn until ผักหวาน right.
it. Okay.
Cook
Yes.
and after put the egg.
Oh.
Wow.
Some green stuff.
Mm-hmm.
We don't know.
Can do two hands.
I never done it.
Yeah, yeah.
But I can learn.
Uh-huh.
Am I doing okay?
No.
No?
Go on
Keep
until the green is
It's wilted?
well. Yes. Taste.
Taste.
Taste often until the cook is good.
Mm.
Not dry enough.
It's good.
Not cook enough. The lean.
I don't think so. Maybe a little bit more. Okay.
Until the top of the pan. If you don't put the top, the below, it burn.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Turn it around. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Not enough. Too big. Okay? More.
Mm-hmm.
When do like this, must do below. Do below.
Oh, okay.
If the do below is below not mixed,
Right.
we must do like this and pick up like this. And until good enough. Good? Good already?
I don't know how good it's going to be.
Somebody help you.
Taste it.
Salty more?
No, I think it's perfect.
Okay. Now
Wow.
another step. We put the egg. Fold and put back. Fold.
Okay.
Half first. We prepare the place
Okay.
and
Okay.
put the egg, but don't do anything until they are cooked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, do break,
Okay.
break,
Here.
okay, fold.
4.
Okay.
Oh.
No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Later.
Yes.
Soya sauce. Put soya sauce. Okay. Now we turn back half
Okay. Half.
and put another part for egg.
Okay. 4 more egg. Okay, I get it.
Four. Okay. With the good time the same.
We wait. Now we wait,
Wait,
right?
yeah. And after we turn back
Back over again.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yes.
and put okay. Tap
Kind of covered.
until below.
Oh, okay.
Because below they have this one.
Yes.
Nearly
Yes.
burn.
Okay.
And after we turn back and eat it.
Okay.
Okay? Now turn back now. พอ
No. Arroy ma.
อร่อยมาก
Mmm. That was awesome, man.
ๆ now
Now I know how to make.
not finished yes
Okay.
do the more and put on the plate decoration
How much to fill this?
until full
Okay. Like this?
Yeah. More?
compact
Push it down, yeah.
Oh, I see what
I
you're
gotta,
doing.
I gotta put it
Yeah,
upside
yeah,
down.
yeah, yeah. Presentation.
And put
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Yeah.
compact
Yes,
and put
yes.
here
We're gonna put it on the first plate over here. That's
Yeah.
what
Okay, okay. Oh, okay.
yeah
Blue.
Look, Dooney, huh?
See.
Look to your, right behind you.
yeah
Oh, here.
decoration
Put it right here upside down.
okay okay good
Oh, look at that. My first Khao Pad.
yes okay
Wow. That was awesome. Man.
What do you think, Dada?
Oh man, I'm so glad nobody else wanted to do it except me. Yeah, that's the way I wanted it. You know what I'm saying?
Got the personal
Oh man.
tutorial on making the Khao Pad
Wait till I get back home.
the right way,
Yep. The only way. Thai style Khao Pad.
in the right order, all the
Yep, yep. The ingredients. Oh man.
And just like that, just like a pro. Looking awesome. Recipe 55 years in the making. And me, the proudest son in the world, capturing it all on video. Love you, Tata. Awesome job. 3 francs in a rock. See you on the other side.